Welcome to DPV Technology. In this video, we will learn how to use this DS18B20 temperature sensor with Arduino and display the temperature value on the 16:2 LCD display. So let's get started. You can buy all types of electronic components, modules, sensors at best price from www.dpvtechnology.com. For the circuit, we need a DS18B20 temperature sensor, one Arduino Uno board, one 16:2 LCD display, a 100 ohm resistor for the display, one 4.7K resistor for the temperature sensor. It is very important. You will not get output if you will not use this. One 10K trim potentiometer. You can also use a potentiometer from 1K to 10K, any value. Then we need a breadboard, then some connecting wires, and Arduino Uno USB cable. The DS18B20 sensor has 3 pins. When we keep this sensor like this, then the first pin from the left side is ground pin. Then the second pin from the left side, that is the middle pin, is data pin that we have to connect to any digital pin of the Arduino. Then this one, the rightmost pin, is VCC pin. We have to supply voltage from 3 to 5 volt to work this sensor properly. It can detect temperature range from minus 55 degrees Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. Here is the connection diagram. We can see the ground pin of the sensor is connected to ground pin of the Arduino. Then this data pin is connected to pin number 8 of the Arduino, digital pin 8 of the Arduino, and this is the VCC pin that is connected to 5 volt pin of Arduino. Now we have to connect this 4.7K resistor in between data pin and VCC pin. And here is the 100 ohm resistor. You can use any value from 100 ohm to 1K, and this is the 10K trim pot. Also you can use any value from 1K to 10K. Now connect this LCD according to this diagram with the Arduino Uno. Here is our connection setup. So this is the DS18B20 sensor. This first pin from the left side is ground, that is connected to ground pin of Arduino. Then middle pin is connected to pin number 8 of the Arduino, and this rightmost pin is connected to VCC of the Arduino, that is 5 volt pin of the Arduino. Now we have connected this resistor in between and data pin and VCC pin. This is 4.7K resistor. This is very important, otherwise you will not get output. Now connect this LCD according to the circuit diagram. You can also watch our video in our channel how to connect 16:2 LCD display with Arduino by DPV Technology. You can search like that on YouTube and you will get the step-by-step instruction to connect this LCD with Arduino. To use DS18B20 temperature sensor with Arduino, we will use two libraries. One wire library and the second one is Arduino temperature control library. The links are given in the description of this video. When you click on the first link, then you will be redirected to this. So this is one wire library. Then you click on clone or download, then click on download zip. Click save. Then you click on the other link. You click on clone or download, then after that download zip, and then you save it. Now open your Arduino IDE, then go to sketch, then go to include library, then go to add zip library, then open your folder in which you have downloaded the libraries for the DS18B20 sensor. Here we can see this is one wire master, then click on that and then open. So we can see it is automatically added to our Arduino library. Then go to again sketch and include the other library. Then go to zip library, then go to your download folder and the second library, that is Arduino temperature control library master. Then click on the open. So it will be also automatically included to your Arduino library folder. Now open your Arduino IDE, copy and paste this code. The link of this code is given in the description of this video. In this code, we can see first we have included the one wire.h library, then we have included this Dallas temperature.h library for the temperature sensor. Then we have included the liquid crystal.h library for the 16:2 LCD display. Then our sensor is connected at pin number 8 of the Arduino. After that, we have created two instances, one wire type and Dallas temperature type. Then this is the pin connection for the LCD display. After that, serial.begin 9600 for the serial communication. Then sensor.begin to start the communication with the sensor. LCD.begin to start the communication with the LCD. In the void loop section, we have requested the temperature from the temperature sensor and then printed the temperature on the 16:2 LCD display. Now connect your Arduino board to your PC. Then go to Tools and select the right board. Here Arduino Uno and write port. After that, upload the code. Here we can see it is uploaded. Done uploading here. After uploading the code, rotate the knob of this trim potentiometer. So now we can see the temperature value is being displayed on the display. If you will get minus 127 degrees Celsius or something, then check your connections. Or if you will not use this resistor, this 4.7K resistors, you will get the minus 127 degree value. Let me show you. So I will remove this resistor. So here I can see minus 127 degrees Celsius. That means we have to use this resistor to get the output. Otherwise, we will not get output. You can buy all types of electronic components, modules, sensors at best price from www.dpvtechnology.com.